In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video thumbnail in Google Docs. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure it's as easy as possible for you. First, let's begin by opening Google Docs. You'll want to navigate to your internet browser and type Google Docs into the search bar. This will bring up a list of options. Click on the link that leads you to Google Docs. This should be one of the first results you see. Once you're there, you'll arrive on the Google Docs homepage, which is the central hub for accessing all of your documents. Now go ahead and click on the document where you want to insert the video thumbnail. If you haven't created a document yet, you can easily start a new one by selecting the option to create a new document, usually found on the homepage or under File in the menu. With your document open, it's time to insert an image. To do this, look at the options along the top of your screen and find Insert. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various features you can add to your document. Under this menu, you'll see Image. Hover over this option and another menu will appear, giving several sources from which you can upload an image. You'll need to choose Upload from Computer, because you already have a video thumbnail saved on your computer that you want to use. Click on Upload from Computer, and this will open up a file upload window showing your computer's file system. Next, you will need to find the image of the video thumbnail you wish to insert. Navigate through your file system to locate this image. If you've recently downloaded or saved the thumbnail, it might be in your Downloads folder or wherever you typically store your images. Once you've located the image, click on it to select it. You should see the name of your file appear somewhere in the window, indicating that it's been highlighted for upload. With your image selected, click the Open button. This action will send your chosen image into your Google document. And there you have it, a video thumbnail seamlessly integrated right into your Google document. Whether you're creating a presentation, an informative guide, or just spicing up meeting notes, adding visuals like video thumbnails can enhance the overall appeal and effectiveness of your document. With these steps, you can confidently include video thumbnails whenever you need. Remember, Google Docs is quite forgiving, meaning you can always adjust and reposition your images until they fit just the way you want them within your